Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful top 5 Bootstrap 5 admin dashboard templates 2025. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. We see here's the first Booster 5 admin dashboard template. See, this is the first one. See guys, and you will get the live demo, working demo as well. Let me show you. See, on my blog as well, this is my YouTube channel as well. You will get the demo as well, and here you will get the proper code snippet as well. Here is my Git repo. From here, you will download all the files as well. This is the number one. And here's the number two. See guys, Booster 5 Pro Admin Dashboard Template. This is number two, second. See, see friends. And the live demo as well. See guys, this is the live demo with multiple pages as well. See guys. Wow, the template has beautiful customized as well. See friends. Multiple things you will get in this template. And always you will get the code snippet link as well from there. My GitHub repo as well. This is my GitHub repo. Just search. And this is number two. One and two. And number third, see guys, this is number third. And in this you will get the multiple admin dashboards template in this. And let me show you the live working as well. See guys, the live working. See, this is dark and night view. See guys, the beautiful demo as well. See guys, in this you will get the multiple admin dashboard like for cryptocurrency, banking, personal, CMS, analytics, influencer, travel, teacher, education, authors, directors, doctors, employees, and multiple things you will get in this dashboard. This is number third. So guys, this is and now number fourth. See, this is step number four. See friends. Same the live demo you will see here and same the course paper link as well. See, it's a live demo. See guys, just beautiful. And must say all templates are fully responsive as well. See guys, friends, just brilliant. And one, two, three, and four. So guys, before showing number five, I must say, please subscribe my channel and support me. So guys, with your support, I will get more confidence and I will come with new, more stuff for you. And all will be free of cost as well, like always. And here is number five. See guys, the World Pro Premium Free Booster 5 dashboard. See guys, again, here's a demo, live demo, and the course snippet as well. This course snippet link from a GitHub repo as well. See guys, and this is the demo, working demo as well. See friends, see, just beautiful. See the live demo via YouTube channel as well. See guys, see friends, the dashboard page, just beautiful. See, just wait. Sign up and sign in page as well. Responsive. So guys, see, this is number fifth. So guys, have you seen? One, two, three, four, five. Top five, Bootstrap 5, admin dashboard templates number 2025. And guys, also you will get the more free admin dashboard templates on my blog as well. See, there are multiple admin dashboard templates you will get on my blog, and also you will get e-commerce free templates as well from my blog as well. See, and guys, if you will have any kind of queries, yes, no requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. Here is contact advertise page. You will get my email ID, my Skype, my version, and my Upwork ID as well. So, guys, also you can hire me from Upwork as well. See, and guys, also I'm full-time freelancer. I'm available 20 into 4 for your services. So, guys, also, you can get Angular stuff as well. And React, Laravel, multiple things you will get on my blog. See, guys. This is it for today. And after it, I will come with more free stuff for you. So, guys, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.